Hey y'all, we just got our second box from EveryPlate, and we're about to see what's inside. All right, so as you open it, there are some recipes and the instructions are on the back. And it pretty much just shows you the meals that you ordered. We'll go over those in a little bit. All right, and here's some coupons that I'm going to talk about here in a minute. Hopefully 3 people I can give these away to, and you have to redeem within 30 days. All right, but in here, look, everything you need for each of your recipes. Everything's nice and cold still in this insulated bag. Everything's in here. Fresh herbs. I have some of this already, but I'll just use what they have. Some balsamic vinegar in here for one of the recipes. And I also have little packets. All right, all the potatoes at the bottom, as you can see, is well refrigerated. These are the meats needed. We got some beef here. We got some chicken and some ground pork. And then we got some more chicken. And everything is still nice and cold. Look at that. And here's everything that was in that little box, y'all. I just spread everything out. And then here's one of the meals. And again, they tell you exactly what you need for each recipe. And then on the back, there's actually instructions, like I said, that tells you how to prepare it. All right, y'all, I want to give 2 boxes away for free. Here are the instructions. Make sure you pause it so you can read it. All you pay is shipping, and EveryPlate will send you a box with a $60 value for free.